I am Ezeqiel Obreiro. I work in Oliver since December 2022. My work here is as a maintenance engineer. My responsibility is have all the assets, all the machines running. That way we can keep the customer happy with our delivery times. Yeah. I was in Argentina. I am industrial engineer. I was looking to develop further in my career, and that was the moment that Oliver came around. I feel that I am learning a lot. The biggest difference is in the people. People is open to do activity outside of the work, like play football, volley. Last time we play paintball. Another college we only eat, so that's nice. Since I am here, I really can find a really good connection with the people, and I don't want to lose that. I want to really enjoy with the people during the war and after the war. So that is one of the reasons that I really want to stay here. Yeah.